Hello and welcome back to Collector and Son. This is a little bit of a different duo here. I don't think we've seen the son and the dog together. Maybe we have just once, but we're also in a different location, but that's because we have a little bit of a surprise episode for you guys. We're going to have Oscar pick his bracket for the Collector and Son Bracket Challenge. We're going to only do the Sweet 16, so I picked all the favorites for him up until the Sweet 16, and now it's Oscar's turn. We're going to lay out each team on the ottoman here, and then we're going to put a little treat on there for him, and we're going to see which one he picks. And after that will go up on our bracket challenge, which you guys can visit in the link below and join in. It will be fun. And without further ado, we'll get to Oscar's picks. Well, you guys saw Oscar's picks. It was pretty entertaining stuff. Can't believe who he went with to win it all. We'll see if it pans out for Oscar. As I said, if you guys want, you can go to the bracket challenge. It's linked below and play against Oscar, myself, and my dad, the collector. And until next time, remember to keep it mint and be sure to subscribe and like to help grow our YouTube channel. It means a lot. See you guys in Chicago.